everyone's talking about the newest ice cream sensation from Turkey Hill. We have an unexpected stop here in Pennsylvania because we actually left a campground a day earlier than we were supposed to and ended up not having a place to go, which we didn't realize until we were a state away. So we found a Harvest Host. We are staying at Flinchbaugh's, I think, Farm and Market here in York, Pennsylvania. And we found this place to come and check out to beat the heat because it's really hot. It's 94 degrees here. It's called Turkey Hill, and I think it's a local ice cream and sweet tea company.
And here's the big citizen's cow.
Citizen.
Queen of cow.
Alright, so we're inside and it's Turkey Hill. So there's a bunch of information, but there's lots of interactive things. So you go down and you pay for the 4 of us. I think it was like $46, but you can pay a little extra and they'll let you design your own ice cream flavor. So that's pretty cool. But here's the actual here's the cost. That's to do the taste lab. And then this is just the regular. But she said you still get to taste the tons of ice cream. So that's cool. So we're gonna head through the place and check it all out. You driving the little ice cream truck? Alright, give me some vanilla.
Vanilla. Vanilla. Here's vanilla.
Thank you.
I'll give you that one. Where's the camera out? Okay.
Alright, come on, let's go in here and check this out. So there's lots of interactive things. You can actually milk a cow. Where's my creator?
Okay, type in your code. That's right there. Barrett, your U9CA.
Look, W 9 1 K. Okay. And hit next.
Put in your name. Yes. Okay, so this is if you want a lot of vanilla or a lot of chocolate or somewhere in the middle.
Oh.
Or maybe you have to pick either one. Chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay. Select. Press the green. There comes the chocolate.
So do I
Okay.
All right, now what do you want?
Let's do it.
You're making your own.
So I get it?
No.
Oh.
Okay, so here's the different flavors. You can add mango, cinnamon. Down there. Now you pick more toppings. Now almond, coconut, blueberry. Alright, so it says check it and see if you need to change anything. Chocolate ice cream with cotton candy, marshmallow swirl, marshmallows, coconut chips. Sound good? good?
That?
Good?
What are those?
Marshmallows and coconut chips.
And what's that again?
Marshmallow swirl.
Good?
Marshmallow swirl.
It was like the syrup, the flavor.
Okay, yeah, good.
Okay, here it comes.
Ooh,
All right, now you got to name it. What do you want to call it?
Look,
Big cat.
I put graham crackers.
What do you want to call it?
Hold on.
Ninja swirl.
Yeah, the ninja swirl.
All right. Do N.
Yeah, I want to skip
Ninja
that.
swirl.
And
Now, since you already got it, hit done. There you go.
Alrighty. Did you give me your code?
With chocolate.
Hey, Brett. Look at the window.
Hey,
Okay. Yeah, sorry. I need chocolate ice cream.
You got sweet tea, diet iced tea, lemonade, iced tea, raspberry tea, and green tea. Which they all weren't too bad. The lemonade and the sweet tea is the best. That's what I think, at least.
at the Turkey Hill Experience, I've invented my very own ice cream flavor. Yippee! I sent the factory staff to work, and here's how we made it happen. First, I chose a chocolate mix for the base of the ice cream. Chocolate mix for the base of the ice cream. Next, I chose a black raspberry, poured in some caramel. Then, I added vanilla wafers and mixed it all up. I'd like to introduce Turkey Hill's new fantastic flavor. I'm feeling down. You can make one too. I'd like to introduce Turkey Hill's new fantastic thing. I'm feeling down. You can make one too.
I put chocolate ice cream. Here's a big chocolate delivery man. Chocolate, chocolate, look at the screen. Chocolate, chocolate, look at my commercial. My name is Corbin. My name is Corbin. Just look at the farm, look at the farm. Ninja swirl, ninja swirl, ninja swirl, swirl, swirl. Popcorn! Just look at the farm, look at the farm. Ninja swirl, ninja swirl, ninja swirl, swirl, swirl.
Everyone's talking about the newest ice cream sensation from Turkey Hill, and I'm here where it all started with an exclusive interview. Tell me, how does it feel to be a dairy cow in beautiful Lancaster County? Did you know that Turkey Hill uses the region's freshest milk to make the world's best ice cream? Well, you're a cow, a few words. Well, be sure to check out the latest ice cream from Turkey Hill. It's called Southern Sass, a new flavor invented by me.